Let's make some Turkish style kofta kebabs in air fryer. I've got half kg of chicken mince or chicken keema. You can use lamb, mutton, beef, whatever meat you like. This is one medium onion, finely chopped, and I've got some peppers of mixed color. You can use the pepper of same color as well, doesn't matter, but it just looks beautiful. Then I've got chopped coriander. You can use parsley as well. And then that's garlic, about 2 full tablespoons of garlic. Everything is gonna go in. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste or tomato puree, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of sumac, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and some parsley, dried parsley because I don't have the fresh one, some black pepper, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix everything. That's your kebab mixture ready. Put some water on your hands. Take the kebab mixture and make kebabs. I'm gonna make the kebabs in the air fryer. So I'm gonna make them and put them straight in the basket. I've made the kebabs. This is just half the mixture. I'm gonna make half of them later, so these are enough for us. These are gonna go in the air fryer for 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. It's been 15 minutes. I'm gonna flip the kebab. Air fry for another 5 minutes, 200 degrees Celsius. Kebabs are ready.